Do your research. That's really important. Definitely do your research. Make sure that you're working with somebody that is integrating the latest and greatest techniques and evidence for their technique and practice, right? That's what I do. I'm a conservative management physician. I will use drug-free pain modalities to help you feel better and function better. Research suggests that spinal manipulations, that's chiropractic adjustments, can potentially play a role in preventing back injuries by helping maintain proper spinal alignment, reduce muscle tension, and improve joint mobility. That's literally my job in a nutshell.